Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Moorhead, Minnesota, and home of ByteSpeed. Since 1999, ByteSpeed has worked diligently to ensure their customers have dependable technology backed by a team they can rely on. ByteSpeed provides customized computer hardware, enterprise networking solutions, and professional IT services in all 50 states nationwide. ByteSpeed is an Intel Titanium technology partner, a top 25 system builder for Intel, and one of the top direct Microsoft original equipment manufacturers. ByteSpeed strives to become an extension of the tech teams they support. They offer a number of valuable services free of charge, such as free lifetime technical support, risk-free evaluations, custom bulk packaging, shipping, imaging, and on-site parts closets. ByteSpeed focuses on providing solutions that make an impact. For example, their Gravity Gaming product line of custom-built eSports PCs. Esports in education has become a proven way to increase student engagement and retention. ByteSpeed not only provides the esports hardware needed to be competitive, they offer resources to help schools create successful esports programs. ByteSpeed has recently partnered with Intel to create an initiative around flight simulation in schools. It's designed to help address the catastrophic pilot shortage. Half of all licensed pilots are within 15 years of retirement. With the field of aviation seeking an historic increase in demand, ByteSpeed is committed to helping make an impact by introducing high school students to aviation through flight simulation, while young people are in the early stages of career selection. Visit ByteSpeed today at bytespeed.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.